Morning, guys. Armor Stinger 150 with you. Got a few things to show you. You know I'm a big Gerber fan and all, but I decided to cross the fence and look at Leatherman. So I got the Leatherman MICRA. A little keychain thing on there, whatever. It's just so small, you know, get lost in my pocket, so I put this on there. You know, you've seen a lot of videos on these. I'm not going to go over the specifics on it, simply because, nice. I live about 3 miles from the train, but I live in a valley. So, every little sound you're going to see, you're going to hear. So, you know, this thing's got all the regular accoutrements. Fucking train. Anyway, it's got the tweezers. They work really well. Got your little flat bit there. It's got a smaller bit right there. And bottle opener. On the other side, we got your little utility knife. Works fairly well. It is damn sharp. You gotta fucking love that train. Of course, you got your fingernail file on this side. A little fingernail scraper. And it's got one more screwdriver right there. So it's pretty simple, pretty basic. Just got the scissors, you know. That's why I got the MICRA here. Wanted to test out Leatherman's, and I like it. And I like it a lot, so my brother-in-law came by and gave me this, Leatherman BLAST. And I'm not going to do an in-depth, you know, review of it. There's plenty of those out there. I just wanted to show you what I got. You know, it's got the needle nose pliers, little wire cutters. We've all seen all this stuff before. It's got pretty good scissors on there. You know, you've got your full Phillips head. Unlike some of the Leathermans where they got the 2D. Of course, you got your can opener. Not a bottle opener, but this is a can opener. This is sharp. Got a very nice file. Now this is used, my brother-in-law has used this before. It is gently used, as you can see. It's in very good shape. Of course, you got your saw right here. And you got your little micro screwdriver, I guess that's what you call it. I don't know that much about multi-tools or Leathermans or anything. Of course, you got another regular screwdriver right there. And a bigger one. And you got your knife. Which with a little stropping, I got really razor sharp. And he's had this for a while. So there's my little Leatherman collection I've got going. Of course, I still love my Gerbers, and I'll continue to use those. But these are going to come in handy, I think. Of course, he gave me the leather sheath for the Blast, but I've got a designated ACU MOLLE compatible pouch for it. So it'll be going in that pouch and put it on my gear for when I go out to my little excursions, looking for fossils and, you know, doing my bushcraft and stuff like that. And of course, you see all my cool zombie gear that my friends have given me. This is from Tardisius, great guy. Of course, you got the Zombie Squad and Zombie Hunter patch from Brother RD. Very cool guy. And of course, you got my official zombie hunting permit from RNB2NM. My good friend Bill in New Mexico. By the way, his wife makes these, so go check it out. And of course, Dead Fred. He wanted to be in the picture this time, so, well, I put him and his friends in the video. Alright guys, just want to show you my new Leathermans. Give you a little glimpse of the all the new zombie hunting, zombie apocalypse stuff that I've got for my good friends here on YouTube. Appreciate it, guys. The generosity of the community that I belong to on YouTube is just phenomenal. I never expected anything like this, so you guys rock, man. I don't know. It's awesome. Thanks again, guys. See y'all later. Army Sting 150. Peace.